Hello beautifuls, how are you today? Okay, why do I always say okay? Am I okay with everything? Well, I try to be okay with everything. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Irfan and I am beautifully blessed. Welcome to my channel, and if you're here then I am gonna show you a magic. Can you see a subscribe button here? It's red. So when you press on it, it will gonna turn gray. Try it for yourself. It's gonna turn gray. So try. See, I told you, and if you didn't, you missed it. So anyhow, so today I have came up with peel off mask. I got 2 of these, and if you haven't seen my Rivaj UK shopping haul, then I'm gonna link this on this I button and you can watch that video because I got bunch of stuffs from Rivaj UK. So okay, ये peel off mask अब के नहीं है, ये बहुत पुराना trend है, but it's never been out of fashion. I'm gonna tell you right now कि कितने फायदे हैं. So whenever you apply a peel off mask, the first benefit it gives you that it removes the excess dead skin from your face. It removes excess oil from your face, and it gives your skin an instant shine, and it also removes the tiny peach fuzz on your face. ये जो जिसको हम बालों का रुआं कहते हैं ना, if you remove it properly, ये वो उससे भी आपकी जान छुड़ाता है. So it removes your blackheads, and it is full of, if you're using a good brand, then it is full of antioxidants. And if you don't know what is antioxidants, considered it's a life for your skin. Both of these today, and I'm gonna tell you the do's and don'ts while I'm gonna apply on it. And before applying these, I'm just gonna read out the benefits of, first of all, this gold mask. And this 24 karat gold facial mask, it is anti-wrinkle, anti-toxin, and anti-acne. So this been claimed on the pack, and on this charcoal one claims that it tighten up your pores and it deep cleans. So ये रिवाज का मैंने मेमोना मुसलमा की वीडियो भी देखी थी, और निशा की भी इस पे बहुत अच्छी वीडियो है. They both use it to take out the blackheads. So I'm gonna apply this on my T-zone where the more blackheads, and rest of the face I'm gonna apply this gold one. So let's get started with the spatula of their own. So I'm not gonna and the good thing is both of them were sealed when I bought them. So I'm just gonna open the seal in front of you. Do include a good peel of mask in your facial routine to remove blackheads. It does have a smell, and it smells like glue. Always apply on a clean face means that you should be using a good cleanser scrubber first and then applying a peel of mask. Always do apply a thick layer of the peel of mask. Try to make it as even as possible. Otherwise, it will take a long time to dry. When you're taking it off, try to pull it in an upward direction or in an opposite direction to remove it. And do use a good moisturizer after removing it. Otherwise, it will itch your nose. लगाने से पहले अपने बालों को खुला मत छोड़ें. Don't apply around your lips or eyes to avoid any reaction. Don't apply on your eyebrows. Do not use it every day. Always mix and match your beauty routines. Do not rub your skin if it's not coming off. Try not to take it off while it's wet. Do not apply on a greasy face because it will not give you a proper result. While it's drying, try to relax and lie down is the best option. और जब ये सूख रहा हो तो कोशिश करें कि ज़्यादा बातें ना करें, क्योंकि ज़्यादा बात करने से इस पे क्रीजेस आ जाएंगी और ये आपकी स्किन को जो प्रॉपर टाइटनिंग है वो नहीं दे पाएगा. So try not to speak while it's dry. It took me good 20 minutes to keep it dry. So I am just gonna remove it. Oh god. Oh yes, that skin, that, I don't know if you guys can see or not. Okay, after washing it off and I can see my skin feels so cold and मेरा skin का temperature सब बहुत ठंडा है. My face is, I feel fresh and I definitely feel good. If you ask me, I like the black one more because it was more thick और ये थोड़ा सा liquidy था. It was bit runny and if you ask me in the end that it's definitely a good thing to apply and mix and match your beauty routine and sometimes you try something else and something कुछ आप नया करते हैं कुछ आप different अपनी skin के लिए treatment करते हैं. That's how. So it is good to try different things. So after removing the peel of mask, this is the best thing to apply any good whitening cream. If you ask me, if you have, I apply this sometimes if I want to. Otherwise today I am gonna use Rivaj UK Kai hyaluronic acid and it is basically hydrating and it is a glass water. I do have a video on it where I review. I bought 3 of these, so मैं ऐसे लगाने लगी थी as usual. So what you do, you take a drop on your hand and you apply. So this is the best time to apply any good quality serum, moisturizer. I do have one of these serums as well and why not, I can apply both of these. So you can always layer your beauty products after peel off mask because अब आपकी स्किन जितनी स्मूथ और जितनी साफ है और इसके ऊपर आप कुछ भी अप्लाई करेंगे तो it is gonna penetrate deep into your skin. And in the end, don't forget to apply any moisturizers. I have this Olay Total Effect moisturizer and it is very important to apply the moisturizer right at the end क्योंकि आपके जो molecules होते हैं सीरम के वो बहुत ज़्यादा concentrated होते हैं, they are thin और जो moisturizers की consistency होती है it's bit thick. So to lock in your beauty treatment, moisturizer should be the last step of your beauty routine. So this is the video. Hope you like it and if you like then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching guys.